The Kenya Red Cross Society was established in 1965 under the Kenya Red Cross Society Act Cap 256 as a voluntary aid organization auxiliary to the national and county governments. It is the only national Red Cross society authorized to operate in Kenya, maintaining its autonomy as guided by the fundamental principles of humanity, impartiality, neutrality, independence, voluntary service, unity, and universality. Its constitution is based on the Geneva Conventions of 1949 and the additional protocols of 1977, to which Kenya is a signatory.
The Society's humanitarian leadership, especially in disaster risk management, is nothing short of excellent. This has been demonstrated time and time again during various tragedies and crises where human life was in danger or where there was risk of human suffering.
The Kenya Red Cross is a membership-based organization with more than 300,000 members and volunteers who drive humanitarian action across the country. The society has a presence in all 47 counties, organized into 8 regions for coordination. Each county branch is led by a coordinator, while elected boards at branch, regional and national levels provide governance and strategic oversight. A parallel youth governance system ensures young people have a voice and visibility in decision-making. The Society's work is anchored on a 5-year strategic plan and runs programs in disaster operations, disaster risk reduction, health and social services, nutrition, water, sanitation and hygiene, WASH, and youth development. Under disaster operations, the Kenya Red Cross responds to a wide range of emergencies, including floods, droughts, epidemics, collapsed buildings, conflicts, fires, terror attacks, and civil unrest. Its emergency operations combine well-trained response teams, strategically located warehouses, and a fleet of trucks, light vehicles, drones, and boats that ensure life-saving aid reaches communities promptly.
Kama shirika ya Red Cross imetusaidia vizuri sana kwa hii eneo ya Tana River. Mahali kuna janga yoyote, shirika ya kwanza tunawaona ni Red Cross. Upande wa chakula, upande wa vyombo, canvas, blankets, mkeka hii ya kulalia, net, wanatusaidia vizuri sana. Hata outreach wanatuletea pale mahali tu.
Beyond response, the Kenya Red Cross invests heavily in disaster risk reduction and resilience building. This includes climate action plans led at the community level, food security initiatives, environmental conservation, and anticipatory action informed by early warning systems. These interventions are carried out in close partnership with national and county governments, as well as like-minded organizations, ensuring stronger disaster risk governance and preparedness.
Tulikuwa tunahimiza wao tena kama ni flood sikikuja, kabla flood haijakuja wahame kutoka mahali ya chini alafu wakuje mahali ya juu.
Health remains a central pillar of the Kenya Red Cross programming. The Society supports affordable, accessible and equitable healthcare aligned with Kenya's Vision 2030, the National Health Strategy and the Global Sustainable Development Goals. Its focus is on strengthening community health systems linked to primary healthcare, a key step toward achieving universal health coverage. The Kenya Red Cross is also a lead partner in humanitarian health response. It manages health and protection services in Dadaab and Kalobeyei refugee camps, ensuring vulnerable populations on the move access critical services. Along major migration routes, the Society operates humanitarian service points to guarantee continuity of care. Since 2011, the Kenya Red Cross has managed the Global Fund HIV grant as a principal recipient, channeling resources to sub-recipients, strengthening health systems, and empowering communities to fight HIV/AIDS. This program has saved countless lives, supported people living with HIV/AIDS, and transformed local systems of care. Young people are at the heart of the society's vision for the future. With over 356 grassroots youth leaders and more than 3,000 Red Cross clubs in schools nationwide, young people are shaping governance, climate action, and community development. Through youth centers, microfunding initiatives, and digital platforms like WEMA and Empowers Today, the Kenya Red Cross expands opportunities for young people to innovate, learn, and lead. These initiatives nurture empowered humanitarians who are actively contributing to positive change in their communities.
Jina naitwa Emmanuel, nimekuwa mwadhiriwa kwa madawa ya kulevya. So ilifikia mahali tukaamua kuchukua hatua tukiwa na viongozi na tukatengeneza kikundi inajiita Captain Reformed Youth Group. Nilikuja nikabadilika, nikajigundua, nikaanza kufanya project ya poultry keeping. Sasa nafuga kuku pale nyumbani, nalima vitu ya short seasons crops, nalima viazi kidogo, nalima nyanya. So sio kama before. Sasa naenda niongee na watu watasaidia watu 10, watu 20, hata even a million. Naweza ongea na watu wengi, yani sasa niko free, nimetoka kwa ufungwa.
To ensure humanitarian action remains evidence-based and forward-looking, the Kenya Red Cross established the International Center for Humanitarian Affairs, ICHA. The center acts as a think tank, generating knowledge, shaping policy, and testing solutions in areas such as climate change, migration, gender, health, and localization. ICHA's work includes developing early warning systems, advancing anticipatory action, and supporting inclusive initiatives like women's social entrepreneurship and fabrication labs that recycle waste into useful products. By bridging research with practice, ICHA ensures humanitarian decision-making is not only compassionate, but also strategic and impactful. The Kenya Red Cross also empowers individuals and institutions with skills for emergency preparedness and response through the Kenya Red Cross Training Institute. The institute offers diploma and certificate programs in paramedicine, disaster and humanitarian management, and emergency care, along with short international medical courses accredited by leading global institutions. It is registered under the Ministry of Education as a technical vocational training center and recognized by the National Industrial Training Authority and the Directorate of Occupational Safety and Health Services. The institute also serves as an accredited center for the American Heart Association, the American College of Surgeons, and as a center for recognition of prior learning, enabling experienced practitioners to equate their skills into formal certifications. This creates opportunities for career advancement. The vision of the Kenya Red Cross Society is to be the leading humanitarian organization promoting the well-being, health, and resilience of communities. By combining scale, logistics, partnerships, and a dedicated volunteer base, the Kenya Red Cross continues to be the first line of response when disaster strikes. We continue to work with the national and county governments and partners to facilitate communities prepare for and respond to humanitarian emergencies. We will work with partners to implement innovative, community-driven programs that transform lives and enhance the resilience of our communities. As a society, we are driven by our value proposition, always there.